Dear users of I2OK.com, let's see how you can upload your digital products to sell on I2OK.com. Uploading and selling digital products is very easy. Let me create a sample ad for you. So go to post free ad and log in with your user ID and password, and then simply click on post free ad. Here you can see you don't have any ad yet. Okay, so what you can do, you can click on post new ad button, and I am posting a digital product, so I have to click on the second category, which is digital products. Okay, and after that we can see we have several different categories. So I am choosing my marketing kit. Inside marketing kit we have email templates category. Okay, so I click on email templates. Here you have various fields like title. We can type responsive email template for marketing and promotion. Okay, and in the description you can type the details about this template. Let's say I type very good looking email templates to generate sales. What you can do, you can get the description from ChatGPT. You can also add some bullets and symbols. ChatGPT surely provide the description with symbols. Okay, now here you can set the pricing. Let's say I type 999 rupees. In the condition you can choose new. If you want to charge taxes, then you can select 18% GST, otherwise you can select 0% GST. In the terms condition you can type your terms, sample terms. In return policy you can type anything you want, sample policy. You can get these things generated through ChatGPT also. Instant download after purchase. Okay, so next we have to select the various parameters. So these are the attributes for this digital product. So it is asking us to select email template. Here you can select the type of this email template, like newsletter, transactional, promotional. So industry fit, you can select different industries. So this is a multi-select drop down. Layout style, you can choose what kind of layout is present in this newsletter. I can select multi-select or single column, multi-column or single column. Responsive design, yes. Code type HTML. File format, it is the file that you are going to upload in the private file section wizard. Okay, so most of the time I recommend you to upload zip file only, that contain all of your source codes, images, everything in a compressed zip folder. Okay, inline CSS is used, no. Email client support, you can select anyone you want. Actually this email uses an inline CSS also. Click through button, yes. Header footer included. Image slots, yes. Color scheme, you can select the color themes that this email template support. I select all. It is customizable. The email is multicolor and the newsletter is dark as well as light, so it has all the color schemes. Compatibility, you can select which email client it is compatible with, you can select anyone. Mobile friendly, yes. Builder support, none. License type, you can here you can select the license, like if the buyer can use it for a personal project, commercial or extended. Commercial means it can be used for the buyer's client also. Okay, so I select personal. Editable, yes. Now we click next. After that, here you can upload the images for this email template. You can upload the preview files, thumbnails, whatever you want. I select browse files. Here I have this thumbnail. I click, select and choose it and then upload it. As you can see, we have uploaded the thumbnail. Now we have to click on next. After that, the system will ask us to upload the private file. On the message screen you can see one file at a time, maximum 5 GB file you can upload for a product, available only to buyers after payments. That means if you upload this file, then this file is not publicly available. This file is available only to the registered users who made the payment to purchase or buy your email template. Okay, and unauthorized used is not permitted here. Then you can select the file. I select my sample file here because I don't have any file in my browser, so I am selecting the let's say I am selecting any PDF file. You can upload a zip file also. So for now I am uploading this PDF file. As you can see, your document uploaded successfully. Now we click next. Here you have to select the origin or the nearest place of the product. Actually this digital product is available for worldwide. Okay, but we have to type the current location of our company or your exact location. I select India and then I am in Maharashtra, so I select Maharashtra, then Mumbai, and then I select my pin code. You can add your pin code if it is not present inside the drop down list, and after it you can also add your locality. We have the option of adding the locality if the locality is not present inside the pin code. Now we click next. As you can see, we successfully uploaded a digital product, that is a email template that you can sell to the customers on i2ok.com. Okay.